Hi, I'm Mike Downs. I want to give you a true picture of what it's like to be a production tech here at Hearth Home Technologies. Production tech is a lot of different things here. You know, everything from basic production to welders, painters, press brake operators, and all the above. Okay, this is a flat wash station, so when the steel comes in and it gets formed for the fireplaces, it'll have oil on it. This member is running it through a flat wash. That'll get all the oil off of it so that when it goes to the line, our adhesion is as good as it can be. This is kind of the example of our one-piece flow. So he has that cart, he's pulling through, he's going through the warehouse, and he's picking all the parts he needs for the one unit. That cart will follow down the line, and every part for that unit, and only the parts for that unit. So they make sure that everything is with it. So on some of our assembly lines, such as this one, occasionally you'll have two people working on the same fireplace. We got one person on one side of the line and one on the other side of the line. So the assembly line keeps on moving, and you may have somebody on the opposite side of you doing the same thing. We try and make our workstations as ergo-friendly as possible. So you can see here, there's a fireplace riding on top of a lift table. Just some of the ergonomic things that we do here to try and keep everybody safe. Yeah, so this is a brake press. That's where the sheet metal is formed. I wouldn't put somebody on the brake press right away if it was something that made them nervous. It's really up to the individual. It kind of depends on who you bring in and what they are aspire to do. Not only do we build fireplaces, does that mean cutting metal and pushing screws? In this scenario, we have somebody molding up boxes. So it's actually a molded firebox. That moldable material will go inside of a die, comes down and it presses that into a box. That firebox ends up being a very nice looking unit. We look for the type of person that wants to learn something. If you haven't done this before, don't be afraid to come out and give it a try. It's all very doable. You know, if I can do it, anybody can do it.